and artillery of the Yug group of forces have neutralized the units of the 57th Motorized Infantry and the 80th Artillery and Heavy Flamethrower Systems of the Vostok group of forces, inflicted fire damage on the
Kementerian Pertahanan Rusia melaporkan pertempuran sengit masih terjadi antara pasukannya melawan tentara Ukraina. Salah satunya yang terjadi di arah Donetsk, tepatnya Bakhmut. Laporan ini diunggah lewat Telegram pada Minggu 7 Mei 2023. Pihak Rusia mengatakan detasemen penyerangannya melanjutkan aksi ofensif dan telah merebut 2 blok di bagian barat laut dan barat Artyomovsk Bakhmut. 4 serangan dilakukan oleh pesawat di area tersebut selama 24 jam terakhir. Artileri telah melakukan 64 tugas tembakan dalam semalam. Pasukan Lintas Udara mengisolasi musuh di sisi-sisi dan mendukung aksi pasukan penyerang untuk menguasai kota. Kemhan Rusia mengklaim lebih dari 340 prajurit dan tentara bayaran Ukraina, 2 kendaraan tempur lapis baja dan 8 kendaraan bermotor, serta 1 howitzer D-20 telah dieliminasi pada siang hari di arah ini. Selain itu, 2 stasiun radar kontra baterai buatan Amerika Serikat telah dihancurkan di dekat Novogorodskoye dan Artyomovsk.
The armed forces of the Russian Federation continue the special military operation. In the Kupiansk direction, operational tactical and dummy aviation and artillery of the Zapad group of forces have engaged the units of the armed forces of Ukraine close to Tabaevka, Timkovka, Pershotravnevoye, Novomlinsk and Dvorechная of Kharkov region. In addition, Russian troops disrupted actions of 4 sabotage and reconnaissance groups near Sinkovka, Kislovka of Kharkov region and Stelmakhovka of Lugansk People's Republic. More than 85 Ukrainian servicemen, 1 armored fighting vehicle and 1 D-30 howitzer have been destroyed during the day in this direction. An ammunition depot belonging to the right sector, a Ukrainian terrorist organization, has been destroyed near Liptsi of Kharkov region. In the Krasny Liman direction, operational tactical and dummy aviation and artillery of the Center group of forces have inflicted fire damage on enemy units close to Terny, Yampolovka, Yampol and Grigorovka of Donetsk People's Republic, as well as Chervonaya Dibrova and Nevskoye of Lugansk People's Republic. The enemy has suffered losses of up to 75 Ukrainian troops, 3 armored fighting vehicles, 2 motor vehicles, 1 Akatsia self-propelled howitzer and 1 D-20 howitzer in this direction in the past 24 hours. In the Donetsk direction, assault detachments continue offensive actions and have seized 2 blocks in the northwestern and western parts of Artyomovsk. Operational tactical and dummy aviation and artillery of the Yug group of forces have neutralized the units of the 57th Motorized Infantry and the 80th Air Assault Brigades near Bogdanovka and Stupochki of Donetsk People's Republic. 4 sorties were carried out by aircraft in this area during the day. The artillery have performed 64 fire missions overnight. Airborne troops isolate the enemy on the flanks and support the action of the assault troops to take control over the city. More than 340 Ukrainian servicemen and mercenaries, 2 armored fighting vehicles, 8 motor vehicles and 1 D-20 howitzer have been eliminated during the day in this direction. In addition, 2 US-made counter-battery radar stations have been destroyed near Novogrodovskoye and Artyomovo of Donetsk People's Republic. In the South Donetsk and Zaporozhye directions, aviation, artillery and heavy flamethrower systems of the Vostok group of forces inflicted fire damage on the Ukrainian units close to Ugledar, Pavlovka and Nikolskoye of Donetsk People's Republic, as well as Dorozhnyanka of Zaporozhye region. Actions of a Ukrainian sabotage and reconnaissance group were foiled close to Levadnoye of Zaporozhye region. Up to 55 Ukrainian troops, 2 armored fighting vehicles, 1 motor vehicle, Msta-B and D-30 howitzers have been neutralized in these directions during the day. 1 US-made AN-typic U-36 counter-battery radar station was destroyed near Maximilianovka of Donetsk People's Republic. In the Kherson direction, up to 40 Ukrainian troops and 5 motor vehicles have been destroyed by fire. Operational tactical and dummy aviation, missile troops and artillery of the Russian group of forces have engaged 98 Ukrainian artillery units, manpower and military equipment in 119 areas during the day. The command post of the 124th Territorial Defense Brigade of the Ukrainian Armed Forces was hit near Kherson. A communications center of the 81st Air Mobile Brigade of the Ukrainian Armed Forces has been hit close to Serebrenka of Donetsk People's Republic. In addition, the command and control posts of a battalion of the 110th Mechanized Brigade of the Ukrainian Armed Forces was destroyed near Avdiivka of Donetsk People's Republic, as well as the Ukrainian Special Operations Force Yug Center on Veliki Island of Kherson region was destroyed. During the night, 22 Ukrainian strike drones were detected over the Black Sea by air defense systems. All the Ukrainian unmanned terror vehicles have been shot down by anti-aircraft fire or suppressed by electronic warfare. Also, in the past 24 hours, air defense systems have intercepted 5 HIMARS projectiles, 1 Grom-2 operational tactical missile and 1 .U tactical missile. Moreover, 10 Ukrainian unmanned terror vehicles have been shot down close to Tovolzhanka of Kharkov region, Donetsk, Ryshino of Donetsk People's Republic, Kremenная, Svatovo of Lugansk People's Republic, Rabotino, Ilchenkovo of Zaporozhye region. In total, 418 airplanes, 230 helicopters, 4,027 unmanned terror vehicles, 421 air defense missile systems, 9,014 tanks and other armored combat vehicles, 1,096 combat vehicles equipped with MRLS, 4,754 field artillery cannons and motors, as well as 10,037 units of special military equipment have been destroyed during the special military operation.
Terima kasih sudah nonton. Jangan lupa like, subscribe, dan share ya.